Buddy, is it cold in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you go swimming?
Do you want me to go with you, Kellen?
I don't think he's getting in. I think he's just...
You can. You want to go in the pool? Those girls in the water, Mommy, just like they look like. They look like a fish.
Awesome.
Joey, mine. I'll throw you yours.
There's Madeline. Hi, baby Madeline. And there's Daddy.
No, tracks over there.
Looking the other way. Oh, really? Tell me about it. Are you saying happy anniversary?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Wait, we're day after swimming.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's supposed to be warm because it's summer.
Yeah, we're having a little bit of a... Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I said,